Hi guys, welcome back. Today we want to talk about philodendron care. Philodendron care is easy because if you watch for the signals, the plant will tell you exactly what it needs. It is enough to understand their language. Even inexperienced houseplants owners will have no trouble growing philodendron plants because the plants adapt readily to conditions inside the home. This makes learning how to care for philodendron incredibly simple. Set the plant in a location with bright indirect sunlight. Find a position near a window where the sun's rays never actually touch the foliage. While it's normal for all their leaves to yellow, if this happens to several leaves at the same time, the plant may be getting too much light. On the other hand, if the stems are long and leggy with several inches between leaves, the plant probably isn't getting enough light. There are some ways to propagate philodendron, but we show you the best way of philodendron propagation in this video. I am Fatima and I have a greenhouse. Every week I share you my experience about houseplants growth. If you like to subscribe my channel. When growing philodendron plants, allow the top inch about 2.5 centimeters of soil to dry out between watering. The length of your index finger to the first knuckle is about an inch, so inserting your finger into the soil is a good way to check the moisture level. Droopy leaves can mean that the plant is getting too much or not enough water, but the leaves recover quickly when you correct the watering schedule. Feed philodendron houseplants with a balanced liquid foliage houseplant fertilizer that contains macronutrients. A slow growth and a small leaf size is the plant's way of telling you that it isn't getting enough fertilizer. Pale new leaves usually indicate that the plant isn't getting enough calcium and magnesium, which are essential micronutrients for philodendrons. Philodendrons like loose potting soil that's rich in organic matter. The soil must have good drainage. For container plants, it's recommended to replace your philodendrons soil every couple of years or so. I shared a video about making potting soil mixture for indoor plants here. You can watch this video and make suitable soil for your philodendron. The temperature tolerance of philodendrons varies based on the species. In general, they should not be exposed to temperatures below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Indoors, protect them from cool drafts, such as those from an air conditioning vent. These plants like humidity, so you might have to boost the humidity around your philodendron if you live in a dry climate. To do so, you can mist the plant every few days with the water from a spray bottle. You can also place the container on a tray of pebbles filled with water, ensuring that the bottom of the container isn't touching the water, leading to root rot. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day. Bye.